In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard. Now, if you don't have microphone icon at the bottom left corner, click on this gear one at the top right one and scroll to click on this section called Voice Input. Now you need to decide if you want to use Samsung or Google voice typing. We'll start with Samsung, so click on it. And to use it, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom left corner. Then make sure to click on while using the app in the pop-up. Agree in a second one and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, use the same microphone. Now, if you want to use Google one instead, click on it in the same section I showed you before. Go back and click on microphone icon in the same place. Then start typing. This time, if you wanna stop, you can simply pause or use this button with a microphone. To access some available options right away, click on Gear 1 on the left. To delete text on the go, click on this button with an X on the right, and to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!